Again, I want to thank Ugarte Cars for a super good job in transacting with me for this new car.
May trade-in po tayo today. Tara po, samahan niyo po kami.
We're here at Parañaque City to rent the unit. Fast transaction, and then after a few selection of unit, finally, nagustuhan po nila yung 2019 Nissan Terra. And today, nandito po tayo sa kanilang bahay to deliver the unit.
Ito po pala yung trade-in ng Nissan Terra natin. Check pa rin natin kung meron bang nagbago, meron bang naging problema, o tignan natin. Bago pa yung baterya, mga fluid niya, langis niya, okay naman. Coolant niya, okay naman.
I want to thank Ugarte Cars for a super smooth transaction, especially to Angelo and Julie who helped us and my family through and through. Sobrang smooth ng process. They actually made us try the cars, test drive everything before we finalized. Again, I want to thank Ugarte Cars for a super good job in transacting with me for this new car. Thank you.
Another successful transaction from 2021 GD Okavango to 2019 Nissan Terra. Nakipag-transact po tayo sa very cool na clients po natin. Very accommodating po sila. So salamat po sa pagsama po sa amin.